This pile of glass is not even 5 metres from my tent. You plunge your foot into this, oh, not a happy ending. One little bit and it's the end of a nice trip. Just picking up rubbish and tidying up campsites has become a bit of an obsession. Well, that's good that there's a sticker on it. Oh, there's so much here. Like, this has been run over by a car. Please, don't bring glass camping, picnicking to the river. Just don't bring glass, bring cans. And if you have a friend who's absent-mindedly brought glass, just tell them no, it's not coming. Leave it in the car, we can go without. Like, glass by the river or the beach is a no-go. Not because we're all going to smash glasses, just because of the chance of a smashed glass by accident. Far out, this is, oh mate, this is not good. Oh, shudder to think how many broken bottles are around here. I mean, it's a pipe dream to think that people are going to stop bringing glass. Shoes on swimming, shoes on everywhere. This one's driven into the ground. Yeah, I'm going to get the shovel. If anyone's watching from China, tell me, is this a genuine issue Chinese entrenching shovel? Because it's been run over, it's just been driven into the ground. All these shards. I mean, this big gnarly piece, another gnarly piece right on the surface. Right on the surface. I'm not going to get it all, like I'm trying, but at least the probability of getting smashed by one of these pieces is reduced. No more glass. Come on, guys. I mean, myself included. I've gone on picnics and people bring a wine bottle along and I just say something, hey, don't bring glass next time. But I think I'm going to get a bit more hardcore about it. If anyone brings glass, it just stays in the car. If I lose friends over it, so be it. Alright, I've got to go get a plastic bag for this. Right on the surface.